Hello everyone, and welcome to our weekly how-to video. My name is Lori McNorton, Floral Design Coordinator for Florist Review and Super Floral, and today I am surrounded by beautiful flowers that have been sent from Flower Farm, and we're going to design with these flowers, but I just want you to take a look at all these beautiful blossoms that are shipped directly to you from flowerfarm.com. So we've got a mix of colors, mix of flowers, and they have tons of varieties of flowers, greenery, fillers that will be snipped and shipped straight to you. That was on their website, so I thought I better get that in there. So let's get designing with these beautiful flowers. And I'm going to focus more on the flowers than I am the design, but I thought that this beautiful, it looks like an aged garden urn, would be a perfect beginning for this arrangement. I went ahead and got the container ready. So it's got soaked floral laces, floral foam, and just because we're going to have a lot of blossoms, I like to put chicken wire on top. And this is an old-fashioned kind of method, but it truly works. So I put the chicken wire, then I took our waterproof tape and taped that off, and by the time we're done you will not see the chicken wire or the tape. So just a little trick, helps with keeping the flowers from breaking up the foam, and in delivery keeps it from falling apart. So like I said, they have greenery, they have different kinds of foliages. So we're going to start off this beautiful fern. And we don't need to add a lot of greenery, but I'm just going to start here. This is a really lacy leather leaf. That's gorgeous. I'm going to try to keep this within our area here, but I may get carried away because we have tons of beautiful stems. Okay, so start with our greenery a little bit there. I'm going to go with some height with our larkspur. And I just thought it would be fun to have all these flowers and these stems surrounding me, and I can just pick and choose. So this is definitely going to be a surprise for me as much as it is you. Size-wise, how is that? We're going to make a couple adjustments here. Got some beautiful bells of Ireland, which are fun because they go all different directions. They kind of curl on the top. Just gives it. These don't all have to be high. So I'm just going to tuck one in here. Let's see. Got some gorgeous hydrangeas. And then a lot of time we seem to tuck those way in. Well, I'm not going to do that. I want to be able to see these big, beautiful blossoms. So I'm going to add 3. I have the green there, and then we have the antique here. I'm trying to see. Then let's see, this is so much fun. Let's grab some stock. I'm going to use a mix of colors here. Before long, you won't even see me. be sure to insert your stems clear down into the bottom of the container. That way it gets a good water source. All right, then I have to share these gorgeous roses. These are Pink Floyd. Look how large those are. And what I like to do on the roses, I like to keep them together so that you just don't see one rose here or one rose there. You see a grouping of them. These are just beautiful. We don't have to use just one color. Let's use these Orange Crush. Again, I'm going to kind of group them together. Let's put one of these. Of course, I picked the one with the color on it. I don't think you'll see this in the end, but let's take that off anyway. Okay, let's see here. What else do we have? We have some carnations here. These are Tangelo. They're kind of a deep coral orange. And again, I want to design these with 2 or 3 of them together. Even if they're up high. It's a little bit more that draws your eye to the flower, but because there's a grouping of them, you truly see what the flower is instead of it looking like a dot here and a dot there. Okay, and as you can tell, I'm doing this backwards, so let's see what we need here. All right. Let's add a little bit more stock. All right. Then we also have, let's see, this one is called Tenderly, another carnation. It's kind of a variegated carnation. Add a few of these. I really made this bigger than I had intended, but when you have this many beautiful blossoms, you kind of get carried away. And today we're not going to worry about price. This is all about the flowers. Oops. Let me put that one back. Let's go. All right, got the carnations in there. There's these beautiful sprays here, which I truly like to mix the old standard, like the carnations and the spray carnations, in with some of your more expensive more elite flowers. Nothing wrong with that at all. And these truly have long stems, so we can actually make them truly a part of the arrangement. Give it some height here. This green is gorgeous. I'm still here. You just can't see me. Move this out of the way here. Okay. What else do we have? Oh, look at this cut calancho. This is becoming very popular. Something that's fairly new on the market. Where are we at, Sean? Look at this stem. Is that cool or what? So I'm just going to add some orange cut calancho in here. This one has got enough stems that I can cut it and use it in several places. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have some Bronia. We can't forget the Bronia. This is pretty seasonal, so when it's here, you definitely want to use it. And it just has this nice, flowy look to it. Let me put one of these out front here. There again, I know some of you are going to ask, what would this cost? Well, it'll cost a little bit, but again, today, it's not about cost. It's about these beautiful flowers from Flower Farm. Maybe one more piece. Straight up middle here. And then, just for a little bit lighter greenery touch, I'm going to add some of these fronds, fern fronds. I really want to turn this so I can see, so I hope I'm doing an okay job here. But I want you to be able to see the process here. The ferns just add, again, another cool texture to this arrangement. All right, one last thing and then I'm done because I think we've got, we're going out of our boundaries as to what we can do, but there's this beautiful, fragrant jasmine here. Well, that piece is rather tangled. Oh, goodness. Let's see here. I'm going to try to clear this off here so that you can actually see once we add this. This is definitely the finishing touch. This is kind of funny because I said this video was going to be about the flowers, and it truly is. You can't even see me, but I am here. All right, one more piece. And I may have to turn this just a little bit because I want to make sure that I've got this. I want to tuck this inside and bring it to where it's just flowing on the table. Okay, hold on a minute. Let's get this all wiped off. All right. How was that for some beautiful blossoms? Thank you. There we go. Thank you, Flower Farm, for these beautiful, gorgeous blossoms that we were able to use today. Be sure and check them out on flowerfarm.com, and they will ship them directly to you.